Let's take a look at categories and tags. These are different ways of organizing your posts. Not pages, but just posts in WordPress. And here's how they work. So we've got a post here, and it has to be, as we know, in at least one category, and we've got that right here. Now let's suppose I'm not seeing any other category that I want here, that I need to add a new category. Well, I can do that right from here. Add a new category, and it's right below the main category box. And all I do is I just enter what I want in here. Now in this case, we want to think about it first a little bit, because I want to create a category called Jamaica Beaches, but of course there are going to be other beaches that I want to categorize as well. Say, Bermuda beaches, Aruba beaches, and so forth. So I want a parent category, a main category called beaches. So why don't I add that first? So I put in beaches. Notice it says parent category there. That means it's a top level category. You can see it up top here, beaches. Now I'm going to uncheck that because I don't actually want it in beaches. I want it in Jamaica Beaches. And then I just simply choose from the drop-down menu. I choose now beaches because it's part of my categories list. I add new category, and now we see it appear at the top here, Jamaica Beaches. That's how I can add a new category. Now I could add categories from over here as well, and we'll see that in a moment. Categories, remember, are like the table of contents in a book. They're very general. So Bermuda packages, Aruba packages, very general. And then I get specific with these post tags, where I want to give a specific name, like Montego Bay, let's say. That's actually going to come up here because we already had it in our list of tags, so it pops up and I can add it here. They're like the index in a book, very specific. So I just add it here like this, and then you'll see right down here it's got a little X beside it. I can remove it from here if I want later on. So that's how I choose those, and I could add Kingston, I could add specifics. Now again, I can manage tags from over here as well. Oh, by the way, just as a reminder, always hit update. Remember, we added some things to this post, so we always want to update it. And you'll see the update message up top here. Always watch for that. That tells you that you've actually updated it. Now, as I mentioned, you can manage categories and tags from over here as well. So when you want to deal with them generally and organize them for the whole site, you do that from over here. Notice there's my beaches, and then Jamaica Beaches is distinguished as a subcategory with the dash there. And I can manage those from this point here. I could add a new category. If it has a parent, I would choose it from here, and so forth. Same for tags. There's a basic management point here where I could add a new tag that would then become usable on any post, and I can manage the existing tags that are here. So there's a quick overview of organizing your posts using